What's going on, everybody? It's Charles today, hanging out with my man Rich from Rich Rebuilds. What up, dude?
What are some tips that you have to maintain the battery's life for cars that you don't drive that much?
First and foremost, disconnect all your accessories. Be sure you lock the doors as well. Locking the doors helps all those computers go to sleep much faster, and it'll cause less drain on the battery. What about you?
I park the car, I pop the hood, and I disconnect the battery.
I love it.
And
what if you don't see the battery when you open up the hood?
You call your local mechanic or professional to do that.
The other thing that I do is about every 10 days or so, I fire that car up and go for a cruise. I like to do at least a half an hour or so and really let that car stretch its legs. Those are some really good tips to help keep that vehicle healthy so that it starts when you go out and start it. And also, if you've made it this far and want to check out more, Rich and I have a ton of really cool videos on Interstate's website. Highly recommend you swing over and check them out.
Charles, it's been a pleasure talking to you, and hopefully I'll see you again soon, man.
Bye.
Bye.